Have you ever thought about the power hidden in the smallest things? Take cloves, for example, tiny, dried flower buds that carry centuries of history, culture, and healing. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating story of cloves, their health benefits, and how you can use them in your daily life. 1. A short history of cloves. Cloves have been used by humans for over 2,000 years. They originated from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, also known as the Spice Islands. In ancient China, people chewed cloves to freshen their breath before speaking to the emperor. By the Middle Ages, cloves were worth more than gold in parts of Europe, where they were prized for both flavor and medicine. During the Age of Exploration, cloves were one of the most sought-after spices, leading to global trade routes and even wars between European colonial powers. This small spice shaped economies, cultures, and history across continents. 2. Forms and common uses. Today, cloves come in several forms: whole cloves, ground powder, and clove essential oil. Whole cloves are often used in cooking, especially in curries, stews, and mulled drinks. Ground clove powder appears in spice blends like garam masala or pumpkin spice. Clove oil, a powerful extract, is commonly used in dental care, skincare, and aromatherapy. No matter the form, cloves are more than just flavor, they're function. 3. The health benefits of cloves. Now let's talk about the real power of cloves, their health benefits. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, especially a compound called eugenol, which helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. They're known for their natural anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, especially helpful in easing joint pain or toothaches. Clove oil is still used today to relieve sore gums and dental discomfort. They also have antibacterial properties, helping fight harmful bacteria in the mouth and digestive system. Cloves are excellent for digestion, often used in herbal remedies to relieve bloating, gas, and nausea. Some studies even suggest that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin function, making them beneficial for people managing diabetes. 4. A simple way to use cloves at home. Here's a simple idea: clove tea. To make it, boil 4 or 5 whole cloves in a cup of water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, and add honey or lemon if you like. This warm drink can soothe a sore throat, improve digestion, and even freshen your breath. Another easy tip: add a pinch of clove powder to your oatmeal, coffee, or smoothie. It adds depth of flavor and a healthy boost. From ancient traditions to modern wellness, cloves have stood the test of time. They're tiny, yes, but packed with power. Whether you're spicing up your cooking or supporting your health naturally, cloves are a simple yet effective addition to your life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.